Where are you going? Let's turn on a light for you. Got your dust bag. Oh, that's a good little girl. Thanks for helping. You're cleaning the chair. You're such a sweet little girl. Such a good little helper.
Did you get that all clean?
I think you missed a spot. You definitely want to clean the chair before you get in it to sit in it.
Can you get in? Can you get in?
Do you need a hand? I know you can get in.
I know.
Hey, that was good. Oh dear.